What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and behind me is Apple the Exchange TRX, and today is iPhone 16 launch day, okay? So I'm currently here to check out the hoo-ha, the queue, and of course to celebrate people getting the new iPhone 16.
I'm Mervin Chan. Xin chào, I'm from Vietnam. My name is Ting. My name is Asu. Nama saya Ikhwan.
My name is Edra.
Najmi.
Putri.
Hi, I'm Joey.
Around 6:30 become 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Saya start beratur pukul 6.45 pagi. Sudah subuh terus datang.
Started queuing around 6.
7:45 because I woke up late.
So today I'm getting the 16 Pro Max. 16 Pro Max. Nation. 16 Pro Max. The Desert. So saya order 16 Pro Max, Desert Titanium.
16 Pro in size 1 There's the titanium, the new color of course. 16 Pro Max.
Desert Titanium.
Bagus.
Getting the 16 Pro Max. I'm getting two of it.
Currently using 12 Pro Max. The 14 Pro. Sekarang saya guna 14 Pro Max warna purple.
12 Pro. 15 Pro Max.
15 15 pun nak upgrade to 16
I'm using the 15 Pro Max.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, cool, thanks.
Yes, betul.
Yes.
Saya tak ada Instagram lah bang.
Alamak,
Tapi saya follow you dekat YouTube.
Oh,
Smashpop. Just like that.
betul. Okay, thank you very much.
Bagus.
Of course, I
What's
follow
my
you
Instagram?
everywhere at smashpop.
Wah, okay, good. Thank you very much.
This is the most satisfying part. Oh my god.
Okay, so now that everyone has started collecting the iPhone 6, today Apple is starting to teach all these new customers how to use iOS 18. Interesting.
Hi, my name is Akila. Yeah, I was able to pre-order. It was so crazy. You know, I thought I couldn't get it, but yeah, I was able to book a slot and managed to get it on today, this date.
Okay guys, so that was the iPhone 16 launch coverage here in Malaysia at Apple the Exchange TRX. So if you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!